Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Sicilian Corner. Lou, how are you?
Doing very well. How are you doing today?
You know something? Today is absolutely perfect. Low humidity, low temperature. Yep. I hate the heat and I hate the freaking humidity. You know what I mean? Lou, I know you were introduced to Tommy Yameen. Yes. My best friend, my bestest friend in the world. We've been together. Oh gosh, I was in the first grade and he was in the second grade at the John Breen Grammar School in South Lawrence, because we lived directly across the street from each other, and it was a friendship that started and just got stronger and stronger as the time went on. And
who is Batman and who is Robin between you two?
Well, I don't know if when it came to trouble, we were equal.
I see.
I mean, right, Tom?
Yeah, absolutely.
Good morning and welcome to the Sicilian Corner.
I'm glad to be here. It's a pleasure.
You know, if there's a family anywhere within the Merrimack Valley area that has worked hard for what they got, more than the Yameen family, boy, I'll tell you, I haven't met them yet. Why don't you talk about how the family, well, I'll tell you what. Your dad had a market.
He had a market originally on the corner of Broadway and Lowell Street, called the You Save Market.
You Save, yep.
All right, and then from there, we moved to South Lawrence at the Thrift Food Market, which is next door to Branco's Market.
This is on South Union Street.
On South Union Street in Lawrence, and which everybody shopped on South Union Street back in those days, until the First National came and put everybody out of business.
Yeah, and they were on South Union Street too.
Yeah, right. The first supermarket.
You know, when I was just a little tyke, we'd go shopping, and my dad, you get the coffee beans, and then you'd put them in a hopper, and you'd grind them up and put them back in the bag. You remember that?
Yeah.
The smell. Was there anything better than that fresh coffee smell? But my dad used to pick me up, and I was able to push the level down on that coffee. I remember that like it was yesterday. God almighty, that has to be, I must have been 5, 6 years old at the most.
Nice.
At the most.
And, you know, back then, South Union Street was a hopping place, you know.
You mentioned Branco, and it was Frank Branco.
Yeah.
And their produce department, I mean, they'd put produce out on the sidewalk. And
exactly.
Now, my nonna Lamazzo lived almost directly across the street in a 4-family house at the corner of South Union and Farnham Street.
Right.
And I remember that like it was yesterday. Like,
and, you know, back then we used to do home deliveries too.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You know, I was a kid, but my brother would drive the truck and I'd carry the stuff up the stairs. You know, home delivery was big. Charge accounts were big. People would come in, they pay once a month. It was totally a different world.
Absolutely.
Totally different world.
I believe, Tommy, we have a telephone call for you.
It's Lynn.
Caller, you're on the Sicilian Corner.
It's Lynn. Welcome, Lynn.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
And who are we talking to?
So my name is Lynn.
Hello.
And the Butcher Boy opened on January 27th, 1955, right?
Correct.
Correct.
Okay. I was born 6 months later. And
okay.
Every Thursday, because it was payday, my mother would pick up her mother and me, and we'd go to Market Basket, the Yum Yum Shop, and the Butcher Boy.
The Yum Yum Shop.
Oh, I remember that too.
That was your sister Yvonne's friends.
No, that wasn't. No, that was Yum Yum Shop.
Tasty Treat. Tasty Treat was
Yum Yum Shop belonged to Market Basket.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, it's nice to hear from you. And as you know, we have two $50 gift certificates that are being donated by the Butcher Boy Market in North Andover. So you're going to be eligible, and you're going to have, I believe, number 1, Louis.
Yes.
Okay. And
okay. I have more to say.
All right. Make it brief because we got the phones are lighting up on the board.
All right.
All right.
Okay. So Ann and Bill Yameen.
Yep.
Correct.
February 9th, 1964, the Beatles were on the Ed Sullivan Show.
Okay.
All right.
And Ann and Bill Yameen were in my living room with my parents and myself watching the Ed Sullivan Show.
Wow. What a great
Wow.
story.
Wow.
What a great story. Hey, listen.
And I still live in that house.
No way.
Mhm.
Yep.
Wow. Hey, listen, I appreciate you giving us a call.
Okay.
I really do. Thank you. I hope you listen
Thank
to
you.
the entire show. We're going to go through the history of the Butcher Boy and the Butcher Boy Steakhouse, by the way. So thank you.
And every special occasion, we went to the Butcher Boy Steakhouse.
And that's where it was happening in the Merrimack Valley. It was unbelievable.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
All right. Do
Take
your
care.
show. Thank you.
And she's going to be number one.
Okay.
So 1955, was it Billy that was
Billy and Yvonne, yeah.
Billy and Yvonne, and they had the
My brother
foresight.
Ken and Dan too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, as far as like Billy, when your dad passed away when you were very young, I don't remember your dad.
Yeah, I was like 7 years old, 6, 7.
I think I was in the first grade when he passed.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. And Billy really became the dominant figure in the family, more or
Right.
less, because
Yeah,
he was
more
the
or less.
oldest brother.
Yeah.
And you know something? Good moves. The guy was very, very, very not education wise, but boy, I'll tell you, when it came to business, him and Yvonne,
Yeah, oh, they were hard workers, believe
and
me.
you mentioned Kenny, and Kenny would be in charge of personnel.
And my late brother Dan too.
Danny, I love Danny.
Yeah.
This guy, Danny, he would have an 11 o'clock at night shadow at 7 o'clock in the morning, right after he shaved. He had the darkest beard, huh?
Yeah, he did. Yeah.
Wow.
He
And
did.
we used to for the longest time, I was in charge of ordering the cigarettes up at the Butcher Boy up in Salem.
Okay.
And we were going through Nimro Brothers, I believe it was.
Yeah.
And Danny would call me from North Andover and say, I need another bottle of Canoe. He loved perfume. He loved that Canoe perfume.
Canoe,
Remember
right?
that?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but he used to bathe in it. I mean, he could be 20 feet away from you. You knew he was coming because you
Yeah.
could smell the perfume. But what a character he was. I liked him. I liked him a lot. And, you know, and like I said about Yvonne, God bless her.
Oh,
Boy, she could do,
was-
Louis, she could do anything any man could do.
Yep.
I mean, seriously.
Most women can.
What a worker. And Joyce,
Oh,
Joyce was just a year or two younger than Tom. And Joyce and Yvonne, we had 2 registers up at the Butcher Boy,
That's correct.
and they would be on each register. And little Mikey, me, I would be bagging for both registers. They kept me. I could eat anything I wanted, and I couldn't gain a pound. I mean, back and forth,
Yeah.
back. And back then, that little store, the business, I can remember Kenny. It got so busy at certain times, he'd have to lock the door, not lock the door, but stop people from coming in
Yeah.
until some of the people got out.
Right.
Hey, listen, once again, I just want to mention to our listeners, we have 2 $50 gift certificates. And all we ask is just call up, say hi to Tommy, say hi to Lou. You can even say hi to me if you want.
Huh.
And you're going to be eligible. We're going to get some information, and you're going to be eligible for winning one of the $50 gift certificate. How easy? Who can't use $50 for food? You know what I mean?
Yep.
I mean, given the prices of what's going on, the price of food, I don't know how a family with 2 or 3 kids can get by today. I don't know how much do they spend on food? It's nuts.
It's become out of control a little bit.
No, seriously, it really, really has. And Tommy, like I said, your family, the work ethic, they would leave for work. Everybody would pile in a car, including yours truly after a while.
Right.
Yeah. And there'd be McDuffie, there'd be Tommy and me. And we'd go to work, and when it closed at night, we'd come home. It was a wonderful thing.
I'll bet.
During the
It was
day,
an
we
all-day
couldn't.
thing, but the child labor laws. We were just kids, but we worked.
Boy, I'll tell you. You know something? My father, I never had an allowance because I always had money in my pocket. You know, before I went to work for the Butcher Boy, I used to deliver the paper.
Yeah.
And you
right.
remember Joe Celia.
Yeah, of course.
And Joe C. was giving up his paper route. I had mine, and they ran together.
Yeah.
I says, Joe, don't tell the Tribune. I'll take it.
Yeah.
So now I have 128 papers. I got so busy, I couldn't do it by myself. I really couldn't, especially $1 a day. I hired this Bobby Malone from the project.
Yeah.
And he
You
stayed.
hired him.
I did. I was all
Had
of
him on payroll.
I was like 12.
Your paper payroll.
I was like 12. And we had a ball. And then in the morning, 5:30, Glenny's milk guy's name was Libby. He was our milkman. And he would pull up, and I'd jump in the truck with him with my newspaper bag. And I'd do all the 3-deckers because his knees were starting to bother him.
Yeah.
I'd take care of all the 3-deckers, and then he dropped me off to John Breen Grammar School. He used to give me, remember the pint bottles of the chocolate and vanilla and the strawberry? Right. He'd give me 6 or 7 bottles of those, and all the guys would come, Norm Poole and Joe C., all of the guys, Ray Camilaro, Paul Carew, they'd all come running over, and I'd give them, I was like the Pied Piper passing them out. It was really a very, very good time. Louis, you have the first video that we can watch now?
Give it a shot.
This is a video, and this is going to be about the stores and the history of the Butcher Boy, Tom. Okay. So we're going to watch that, and I think our listeners will get a kick out of it. Opening day. That's your son?
Yeah. That's Gaetano Ferro.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
yeah. Hey, who's this handsome guy? There's Danny, Billy. Kenny's the man with the hat on. There's Danny. You can look at the beard already. And he just shaved 15 minutes ago. Richard Isabel, good worker. And there's the family.
Yeah.
You know something? You guys got a lot to be proud of, let me tell you. This is the North Andover store. Wow. A lot of history.
Yeah, a lot of history. There. A lot of history.
That's a great thing.
The Butcher Boy Steakhouse, very popular place.
We're going to talk about that in the next quarter. I just want to say 978-659-0079. Give us a ringy-dingy. Give us a call, say hello, and you'll be eligible to win a $50 gift certificate. Don't let that slip through. Don't let your neighbor get in there before you. Once again, 978-659-0072.
Have Lynn call me back because she declined to enter when I asked her.
I'm sorry?
Have Lynn call me back because she declined when she entered to give me her information. So.
Oh, she didn't give you the information?
Yeah.
Okay.
I asked her
Lynn, could you call Lou back, please, at that number, 978-659-0072, please? I'd appreciate that. From working, we really had no summer to ourselves.
No.
But at night, we did okay.
Yeah.
I don't know how, now it comes to be 9:30. I can't even keep my eyes open. At 9:30, we'd still be at the stores cleaning up.
Right, exactly.
And that store, it was very small, too small for the amount of business, really. Yeah. And I can remember one 4th of July selling 2,375 cases of beer out of that little postage stamp.
How much?
Imagine that.
Almost 2,400 cases of beer.
Good Lord.
Not counting 6-packs. I'm talking cases.
Yeah, everybody from Massachusetts used to come and buy their beer.
There was some draws on the highway, Route 28. You had, starting off, you had the Ford dealership. There was a Ford dealership there when we first started going up there. And of course, to me, from South Lawrence, going up to Salem, New Hampshire was like going up to the mountains.
Yep.
You know what I mean? It was a ride. It was a ride and a half. But there was a Ford dealership. Then we had the Keeley Farms.
Oh, yeah.
Keeley Farms. And the Keeley Farms was a big, big draw.
Yeah.
You had the DeWallabys right next door.
Right next door, Meatland and
Tommy Joe's restaurant. What was that called before? Do you remember?
Alan's restaurant?
No, Joe's the diner.
Oh, Joe's Diner. No, I don't remember.
Yeah, I forgot what it was too. But Joe's Diner, you couldn't go wrong.
Yeah.
Then you had, like I say, the Wallabies. Then you had the Butcher Boy.
Yeah.
Then we had Tasty Treat,
Right.
the girls, and then cousin of yours, Larry Yameen's
Father
father
Jimmy,
and
yeah.
mother.
Yeah,
You had
Alan's restaurant.
Alan's restaurant,
Right.
and we only used to get a half an hour for lunch and a half an hour for supper, and they were so great. They'd see us walking in, and your food would be ordered.
Yeah,
I mean,
well, yeah,
just to try and accommodate us, and they did a hell of a
it
business.
was a great restaurant. Yeah.
99-cent roast beef. Are you serious? With French fries and salad, 99 cents.
Yeah.
It was freaking crazy. I used to love, they'd call up and they needed something. And a lot of times I would bring it over to them because it was walking distance. And, Larry was always generous, what do you want? Well, you want something cold? Have this, have that.
Yeah, they were great people.
And one of my favorite places on the 28 as it started to grow is when they put the A&W in.
Oh yeah, A&W root beer.
A&W root beer. And the girls were all on skates. And of course, I'm 16.
Yeah, of
You
course.
know what I mean?
Everyone loves that.
I'm
yeah.
at 7th man. This is to die for. And again, what do you want? You want something? You want something cold? This, that, and the other. I had it made. I really did. Everybody felt, whatever you want.
Yeah,
it's
there you
yours,
go.
and it was great. Your memories of the store opening in 55, do you have?
I remember it snowed that day.
Oh, because it was in January.
Yeah.
January
and,
27th.
It wasn't. We were very nervous about everything. Jimmy Pearsall, who was an outfielder for the Red Sox,
Yeah.
came to opening day to sign autographs. He represented a hot dog company. I forget
Okay.
the name of it, but
Oh, that's wild.
yeah, Jimmy Pearsall. That's the
It
name.
wasn't Sconlands, was it?
No, it wasn't Scotland's.
I remember we had the Oscar Mayer Wiener. The guy used to come with that big.
With the big truck.
Yeah,
You had the
I got
truck
it.
there?
Yeah. That store. Let me tell you something. Per square foot sales, man, it had a rank right up there, man.
Oh yeah.
It was amazing. I mean, Louis cigarettes. The amount of cartons of cigarettes that I used to get from them, and I told you about the beer and and we had no room. Just a quick Billy story, and then I'm going to go to first break. Billy and Ann, his wife, were on vacation, and I got an opportunity and a good buy on Black Label, the beer.
Yeah.
And it was a nice, friendly competition between the Wallabies next door, Meatland, and Keeley Farms. And they were going to jump the price up considerably. And I'm just a kid. I'm young. And I remember I bought 1,000 cases.
Wow.
1,000 freaking cases.
At your age.
Yeah. Wow. Where do you put it? So their office was all glass. So Billy could sit and he could see the whole store.
Yeah.
Well, believe me when I tell you, if I could have put it somewhere else, I would have. I had no room. So I blocked the whole freaking mirror. The whole glass area, the whole office was cases right up to the ceiling, Man, he came in, he went livid. He went nuts. He says, yeah, this can't stay here. Well, where do you want me to put it? He says, why'd you buy so much? And I told him what was going to happen. And I says, we'll be the cheapest on the street. And we got rid of every single freaking case.
Nice.
Not one case was left. I mean, it was friendly competition. We'd go into Keeley's, check their beer prices. They would come check our beer prices. And cigarettes back then, everybody smoked. I mean, your cigarette order would be half a truck. I mean, you remember Jeunesse Bread?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That was local.
Yeah.
And they used to have to leave a truck on weekends in our parking lot.
Right.
And Saturday, after Saturday business, we'd go out to the truck, get all the bread, bring it, and stock the shelves again for Sunday.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Exactly.
I mean, it was
what an operation.
The business. Yeah. I learned more about selling and marketing at a young age, and it went to serve me well as time went on. But listen, we're going to take a break. I want people to give us a call. This is a $50 gift certificate. All you have to do is just call, say hello. Louis just going to ask you 1 or 2 questions, and that's it. And the telephone number is 978-659-0072. And Louis, why don't you take us out? When we come back, we're going to talk a little bit about the Butcher Boy Steakhouse.
Okay.
Lobster pie, baby. Lobster pie.
Ciao, this is Esther of Yameen and Sicily. I want to talk to you about Tommy Yameen and the great staff at Butcher Boy Market. Families, foodies, and home chefs come together at Butcher Boy to talk good food and create traditions. They offer the best in quality cuts of beef, pork, lamb, poultry, and restaurant-style steaks and chops. Produce? All of their produce is hand-selected to complement any meal or even to make it your main course. Their deli serves fresh roast beef, turkey, and beautiful imported Italian cold cuts, cheeses, and antipasto. And don't forget the Butcher Boy Bakery, featuring sweet delectables from all over the state, as well as their very own bakery. That's Butcher Boy, where the secret to a great steak is, of course, the steak. Located at 1077 Osgood Street in North Andover, Massachusetts, in the Butcher Boy Plaza. Ciao!
Labor Day weekend, bring your entire family for the 102nd Annual Feast of the Three Saints in Lawrence. The best Italian food, free parking, and entertainment. Stop by the Beer and Wine Garden. Enjoy an authentic Sicilian crispelli from the St. Alfio Society. Friday night's entertainment at 7, it's Stephen Savio, followed by the Full Circle Band at 9. Saturday night, Forever the Girl performs at 5, and at 9, it's the 12 Bars Band. Stop by the Cultural Tent at 4 on Saturday for a cooking demonstration with Marianne Esposito. And closing out this year's feast at 8 p.m. on Sunday, it's the B Street Bombers. Celebrate this year's Feast of the Three Saints August 29th through the 31st in Lawrence. The best Italian food, free parking, and great entertainment. Follow the signs from the Marston Street exit on 495. Sponsored in part by Eastern Salt Company, Trident, Jackson Lumber and Millworks, Triple E's Bakery, Market Basket, Catadella Funeral Home, JG's Ice Cream and Fun Center, Donna's Famous Italian Sausage, and Cody's. Visit threesaintsinc.org.
Legacy Care Law Firm provides estate planning and elder law services to people in the greater Merrimack Valley and southern New Hampshire areas, with offices in North Andover and Woburn, Massachusetts, as well as Nashua and Salem, New Hampshire. Discussing family and financial matters with an attorney can be intimidating, but our goal is to help you prepare for the future as you preserve your legacy. We help clients qualify for government medical benefits and ensure their estates are preserved for their families so they don't need to worry about their estate being wiped out by high nursing home expenses. Legacy Care Law Firm attorneys are here to support your journey toward a more secure financial future.
This is Tom Zappala. Located in the heart of downtown Haverhill, the Haverhill Beef Company is a full-service, old-fashioned butcher shop and meat market that continues to be a valued family tradition since 1952. Peter and Monica Carboni's Haverhill Beef offers individualized service from an outstanding selection of marinated sirloin tips, homemade sausage, marinated chicken, and thick, juicy Chairman Reserve steaks. Your family deserves the best, so call Peter at 978-374-4795 or visit their website at www.haverhillbeef.com.
At Catadella Funeral Home, we reinvest in our business to provide your family with the best facilities. It begins with a beautifully landscaped exterior, parking for 250 vehicles, and a comfortable and inviting access to our renovated interior. Funerals can be costly, so you should review and compare plans to make sure you receive services that are fairly priced. I invite you to experience the Catadella difference in cost, facility, and service.
Catadella's honoring and celebrating the lives of the people we loved, providing exceptional care since 1929.
Italian artisan cuisine combines simple, fresh ingredients with time-honored preparation to create an incredible culinary experience. At Tuscan Kitchen, located in Salem's historic Depot District, talented chefs prepare everything in-house from scratch for all to see. Guests enjoy their meal literally in our kitchen as food is prepared right in front of you. Wood ovens burn from morning till night, roasting vegetables, baking bread, and firing delightful thin crust pizzas. Prime steaks are seared on a wood grill Grill. A rotisserie slowly roasts marinated whole chickens and lamb, while a pasta maker creates fresh fettuccine. More than just artisan cuisine, Tuscan Kitchen features the wine bar, live entertainment, weekly wine tastings, and elegant private dining and event space. Call 603-952-4875 or visit TuscanKitchen.com to make a reservation and learn more about the culinary adventure that awaits. In Italy, cooking is an art form. Tuscan Kitchen. Experience artisan Italian.
Orthopedics Northeast and Essex Orthopedics have joined forces as Mobility Bone and Joint Institute to bring improved access and outstanding medical care. While our name has changed, our dedication to exceptional care remains the same as it has for the past 30 years. Same location, 16 Pelham Road, Salem, New Hampshire.
Play more, earn more, win more at Encore Boston Harbor. Sign up for Win Rewards today and score $50 in free play instantly. Score even more as you play your favorite games. New members will also receive $25 in free play for every 100 tier credits earned playing with your new Win Rewards card. Highly rewarding instantly. Visit EncoreBostonHarbor.com for more information. New members only. Further terms and conditions apply. If you or a loved one is experiencing problems with gambling and needs support, call 833-277-5050 or visit gamblinghelplinema.org to speak with a trained specialist. Specialists are available 24/7 and services are free, confidential, and available in multiple languages.
This is Cindy.
And Mike Kunstler,
Owners and operators of Four Oaks Country Club and Grazie Italian Restaurant in Drake, Massachusetts.
Grazie Italian Restaurant is the hidden gem of the Merrimack Valley.
Why is that?
We have an incredible chef, Oscar Figueroa.
In the words of local famous chef and restaurant owner Lydia Shire,
Oscar thrives on hard work.
he is capable and gifted.
No one makes better food. Scallops, seared to perfection.
House-made ravioli with farm fresh local corn.
And buttery tender Lazy Man's lobster, just to name a few.
You have to come experience Grazie Italian Restaurant for yourself.
Grazie Italian Restaurant, located at Four Oaks Country Club, 80 Meadow Creek Drive in Drake, Massachusetts. Hope to see you soon.
Hope to see you soon. Listen, today in the studio, I'm very happy and proud to have with me my dearest friend, Tommy Yameen from the Butcher Boy. We're talking about the history of the Butcher Boy markets, the Butcher Boy Steakhouse. We're going to show a clip of that in this quarter. But we're also giving away, thanks to the Butcher Boy Yameen family, two $50 gift certificates. And all you have to do is just give us a call, say hi, and that's all you have to do. And you could win $50. I mean, for food, how can you go wrong? And the telephone number, once again, Tommy, is 978-659-0072. Tommy, what's that number again?
978-685-0072.
Pretty close. 978-659.
Oh, 659.
Hey,
Okay.
same thing.
Well, I can't see that well anymore, you know.
Well, that's okay. You're doing fantastic. Are you kidding me? Anyway, give us a call, and we have a caller that is reaching out to us right now. Lou, who do we have?
Go ahead, Larry.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Larry, and I'd like to tell you a little bit of history about when Butcher Boy got started on South Union Street.
All right, Larry, we don't have the greatest of connections, so start telling your story. Let's see how we make out with it.
All right. My very first job as a teenager was at the market. I believe it was the thrift food. And I learned there some of the makings of the business where we dealt with people. And as Tom said earlier, people used to call their orders in, and we would deliver those orders.
I see.
And believe it or not, Kenny was the one, his brother Kenny, taught me how to drive on the delivery truck.
Wow.
That brings memories. Hey, Larry, we really don't have a good call, but we're going to take your name. You gave the information to Louis. You're going to be eligible for a $50 gift certificate. I wish we had a better line. I really do. Louis,
is this any better?
No.
Is he gone?
Yeah.
Okay. Too bad that was so scratchy, because that's nerve-wracking to our listeners to try and pay attention to it.
Yeah.
Tommy, now we move across the street on Route 125, across the street from where the Butcher Boy is right now. And we're talking steakhouse, baby.
Oh, yeah. Big time.
And this
Open
is
hearth, cooked on real coal.
and who's the head chef?
The head chef was Leo Nato.
That's right.
Leo Nato was, he worked at the Shawshene Manor.
Is that where he was from?
That's where he's from. And our charcoal guy was Charcoal Eddie Jamgosian, who worked at Lavaggie's. He worked at the Red Tavern.
Wow.
And then he worked at Butcher Boy.
Yeah.
There were 3 great restaurants in the Merrimack Valley. You had Bishop's, you had the Red Tavern, and you had the Butcher Boy Steakhouse.
There you go.
So you had 3 really great choices.
Tommy, I believe we have another caller for you.
Okay.
Caller, you're on the Sicilian Corner podcast.
Mikey, it's Roger.
Roger, how are you? Say hi to my friend Tommy.
How are you, Roger? Roger,
Yeah.
hello.
I am. It's my honor to talk to the legend of Tommy Yameen, the man that gave Mike his start in the meat business. He talks of you frequently and with extreme reverence.
Well, he pays me to say that.
Yeah, right. Well, we taught him a lot, but he turned out okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, Roger, I know you recently just had back surgery, and I feel your pain, brother. And I want to thank you very much. What is Roger's number 3? All right, Roger, good luck in the drawing, by the way.
Mike, I'll give you this. I'm at rehab right now.
Are you
I
really?
think my back. Yeah, I think my back.
Listen, kid, don't push it. Do what they tell you. You're going to be just fine.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for the phone call.
Okay, catch you later.
Louis, do we have that video of the steakhouse that we can run? Or do you need a little bit of time to get it queued? There we go. Waitresses, the best.
They were professional.
That's Ted Williams' signature on a menu, right?
Yeah.
A Little Red Schoolhouse. They were big. Look at the prices.
Incredible.
$3.50 for a lobster pie. Ay, ay, ay. There's Ann.
And there's Eddie Baker.
Eddie Baker. Was the place to be, is right. Wow. Great memories, good times, and awesome food.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome food. I mean, if you needed more strip loins, run across the street, go in the store,
Exactly.
come back with.
We
I mean,
never ran out.
Talk about fresh. I mean,
Yeah,
unbelievable.
we-
Louis, we have a caller. Louis.
Yes, Stephen.
Okay, you're on the Sicilian Corner podcast. Hello.
Yes, hello.
How are you?
Good. My name is Steve Isabel. I know Tommy Yameen knows me.
Oh, I
He's my
sure
dad.
do.
I remember your dad.
Sure. Richard Isabel.
He was a
How are you,
mainstay.
Stephen?
I'm doing pretty good. I got all my work ethic right from your family when I was 13 years old. I learned how to work and work good.
I believe it.
I'm
Me
glad.
too.
Your whole family was terrific. Your dad was probably one of the best meat cutters in the Merrimack Valley for sure.
Those steaks
And
had to
I
be 14 ounces.
Oh,
Boy,
yeah,
I'll tell
he
you,
was
you
great,
didn't have to
man.
put them on the scale.
I'll tell you, we wish we had him today. We miss him.
Yeah, I know. We all do. I saw you had the show going on. I'm on site right now on a bond project, but I just wanted to call and say I love you guys and everything you did for our family.
Well,
See,
thank you so much. That's very
Good
kind.
hearing from you. Your father was first class, man. Hard-working man.
Oh, God.
Absolutely. Take care. Thank you.
Thanks, Steve.
That was nice of him to say.
Yeah,
Everything that he
he
learned,
learned
he
from
learned
as a
from the
little kid.
family as a little kid.
Yeah.
You know, it's
Well,
good.
There's a lot of people that work for us over the years that come back and thank us
Oh, I believe that.
for the work ethic.
You know something? I learned more about business,
Yeah.
even though I was young,
Right, right.
but I learned a great deal. And I said to your brother Kenny the other day, I called him and we were talking, and I said, I learned all your brothers had a different personality,
Yeah.
which you expect.
Of course.
Kenny was a listener. Kenny would listen to you,
Right.
and he handled all the personnel.
Yeah, he did a great
And
job.
I said to myself, if I ever become in a position where I have people working for me, I'd like to be like Kenny.
Yeah.
And I said to him on the phone one day, I called him for his birthday, and I said, you know, I want to thank you because you taught me so much about dealing with the public and people, and it stayed with me all these years. And he got emotional. He really did.
Yeah,
he got emotional. But what a class act. Talk about family oriented. Man,
Oh, yeah.
man.
Yeah.
You know, just great people. The steakhouse, I mean, Frank Jafrida's Hilltop,
Yeah, right.
your brother Big Bill, they were very close friends, and
Yeah.
I think a lot of things that went on at the steakhouse, Billy picked up from Frank Jafrida.
Sure, yeah.
Frank was a local guy, and you know something, it worked out good. I just want to say hi to Nancy Patera DeMarco. She's saying good morning, everybody. Nancy Greco, she's saying good morning, and you know something, it's good to hear from people. Once again, I just have to mention, and there aren't that many people calling in, which is shocking, the living bejeebers out of Mikey, let me tell you. Give us a call, 978-659-0072. Guess what? You could have a $50 gift certificate mailed right to your house. I mean, yeah, it doesn't get any better than that. Maybe our listeners are well heeled. $50 doesn't mean much. To me, it means a lot. I don't know. But you have any fond memories of the steakhouse days?
Oh, well, the place was just busy all the time.
Unbelievable.
If I go in there, my sister used to throw me out.
I'll put you to work. One of the
Yeah,
if
one of
Yvonne
the
was
other.
there, she'd put you to work.
Yeah, right. So
Yeah.
what are you doing here? You know, go home. We're too busy.
Ann Yameen, who was married to Tommy's brother Bill, talk about personality and a half.
Yeah.
She would usually try to take the lounge over.
Oh, yeah.
And that was good. And that was good.
And actually, your younger brother worked there too. For quite
My
some
brother
time.
Bob loved the steakhouse. You have no idea. He talks about it. He was just up the house the other day using the pool, and it came up and I told him you were coming on with us, and he says, "Oh, Mike," he says, "they treated me so good. It was a blast." Blah, 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 blah. Louis, we have a call.
Yes, Michael.
Michael, you're on the Sicilian corner, brother. What can we do for you?
Mike, how are you? It's
Let me
Mike
check.
Lizzie.
Hey, Mikey. How are you, my son?
I am doing well. Can you hear me?
Yeah, perfectly. Perfectly.
You
have something you want to
got it.
say about the Butcher Boy?
I've been blessed to be able to call the Yameens and the Maroons my best friends for years.
I love
I
it.
went to middle school with Joey, and what an incredible family. Just the best. I'm in between families at my office, and I was always listening to your show, love it to pieces. And when I saw the guy sitting next to you, I was like, I have to call in.
Yeah, he's
Well,
you know
thank
something.
you. We appreciate that.
He's not a bad guy. It takes a while to get used to him. I'm trying to get used to him now after all these years. But
You
he's
talk
good.
about a landmark in the Merrimack Valley, right? Just incredible.
No, it's a very. I mean, I wish they did a book on their family. I really did. You know,
Absolutely.
The story is unbelievable. I mean, really, to come up from literally nothing to what they accomplished, and you know, now the second generation has taken it over, and it's a great story. It's a great story. Hey, Mikey, you're in the running for a $50 gift certificate.
God bless you.
Take care of yourself, brother.
Love you guys.
I'll see you right back at you. You talk about a class act. That whole family. Louis, we have another call?
No.
No?
No.
How come?
Because no one can call in while someone's on the line.
All right. I'll tell you what. Why don't we take our last break, and we come back, Tommy?
Yeah.
A little more chit chat.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Stay tuned, everybody. We'll be right back. Don't forget to give us a call, please. You got about 12 minutes when we come back. So I expect to hear from you. Bye.
Ciao, this is Esther of You, Me, and Sicily. I want to talk to you about Tommy Yameen and the great staff at Butcher Boy Market. Families, foodies, and home chefs come together at Butcher Boy to talk good food and create traditions. They offer the best in quality cuts of beef, pork, lamb, poultry, and restaurant-style steaks and chops. Produce? All of their produce is hand-selected to complement any meal or even to make it your main course. Their deli serves fresh roast beef, turkey, and beautiful imported Italian cold cuts, cheeses, and antipasto. And don't forget the Butcher Boy Bakery, featuring sweet delectables from all over the state, as well as their very own bakery. That's Butcher Boy, where the secret to a great steak is, of course, the steak. Located at 1077 Osgood Street in North Andover, Massachusetts, in the Butcher Boy Plaza. Ciao!
Labor Day weekend, bring your entire family for the 102nd Annual Feast of the Three Saints in Lawrence. The best Italian food, free parking, and entertainment. Stop by the Beer and Wine Garden. Enjoy an authentic Sicilian crisp-belly from the St. Alfio Society. Friday night's entertainment at 7, it's Stephen Savio, followed by the Full Circle Band at 9. Saturday night, Forever the Girl performs at 5, and at 9, it's the 12 Bars Band. Stop by the Cultural Tent at 4 on Saturday for a cooking demonstration with Marianne Esposito. And closing out this year's feast at 8 p.m. on Sunday, it's the B Street Bombers. Celebrate this year's Feast of the Three Saints August 29th through the 31st in Lawrence. The best Italian food, free parking, and great entertainment. Follow the signs from the Marston Street exit on 495. Sponsored in part by Eastern Salt Company, Trident, Jackson Lumber and Millworks, Tripoli's Bakery, Market Basket, Catadella Funeral Home, JG's Ice Cream and Fun Center, Donna's Famous Italian Sausage, and Cody's. Visit 3saintsinc.org.
Legacy Care Law Firm provides estate planning and elder law services to people in the greater Merrimack Valley and southern New Hampshire areas with offices in North Andover and Woburn, Massachusetts, as well as Nashua and Salem, New Hampshire. Discussing family and financial matters with an attorney can be intimidating, but our goal is to help you prepare for the future as you preserve your legacy. We help clients qualify for government medical benefits and ensure their estates are preserved for their families so they don't need to worry about their estate being wiped out by high nursing home expenses. Legacy Care Law Firm attorneys are here to support your journey toward a more secure financial future.
This is Tom Zappala. Located in the heart of downtown Haverhill, the Haverhill Beef Company is a full-service, old-fashioned butcher shop and meat market that continues to be a valued family tradition since 1952. Peter and Monica Carboni's Haverhill Beef offers individualized service from an outstanding selection of marinated sirloin tips, homemade sausage, marinated chicken, and thick, juicy Chairman Reserve steaks. Your family deserves the best, so call Peter at 978-374-4795, haverhillbeef.com.
At Catadella Funeral Home, we reinvest in our business to provide your family with the best facilities. It begins with a beautifully landscaped exterior, parking for 250 vehicles, and a comfortable and inviting access to our renovated interior. Funerals can be costly, so you should review and compare plans to make sure you receive services that are fairly priced. I invite you to experience the Catadella difference in cost, facility, and service.
Catadella's honoring and celebrating the lives of the people we loved, providing exceptional care since 1929.
Italian artisan cuisine combines simple, fresh ingredients with time-honored preparation to create an incredible culinary experience. At Tuscan Kitchen, located in Salem's historic ditch for all to see, guests enjoy their meal literally in our kitchen as food is prepared right in front of you. Wood ovens burn from morning till night, roasting vegetables, baking bread, and firing delightful thin-crust pizzas. Prime steaks are seared on a wood grill. A rotisserie slowly roasts marinated whole chickens and lamb, while a pasta maker creates fresh fettuccine. More than just artisan cuisine, Tuscan Kitchen features the wine bar, live entertainment, weekly wine tastings, and elegant private dining and event space. Call 603-952-4875 or visit TuscanKitchen.com to make a reservation and learn more about the culinary adventure that awaits. In Italy, cooking is an art form. Tuscan Kitchen. Experience artisan Italian.
Orthopedics Northeast and Essex Orthopedics have joined forces as Mobility Bone and Joint Institute to bring improved access and outstanding medical care. While our name has changed, our dedication to exceptional care remains the same as it has for the past 30 years. Same location, 16 Pelham Road, Salem, New Hampshire.
Play more, earn more, win more at Encore Boston Harbor. Sign up for Win Rewards today and score $50 in free play instantly. Score even more as you play your favorite games. New members will also receive $25 in free play for every 100 tier credits earned playing with your new Win Rewards card. Highly rewarding instantly. Visit EncoreBostonHarbor.com for more information. New members only. Further terms and conditions apply. If you or a loved one is experiencing problems with gambling and needs support, call 833-277-5050 or visit gamblinghelplinema.org to speak with a trained specialist. Specialists are available 24/7 and services are free, confidential, and available in multiple languages.
This is Cindy,
And Mike Kunstler.
owners and operators of Four Oaks Country Club and Grazie Italian Restaurant in Drake, Massachusetts.
Grazie Italian Restaurant is the hidden gem of the Merrimack Valley.
Why is that?
We have an incredible chef, Oscar Figueroa.
In the words of local famous chef and restaurant owner Lydia Shire,
Oscar thrives on hard work.
he is capable and gifted.
No one makes better food. Scallops, seared to perfection.
House-made ravioli with farm-fresh local corn.
And buttery tender, lazy man's lobster, just to name a few.
You have to come experience Grazie Italian Restaurant for yourself.
Grazie Italian Restaurant, located at Four Oaks Country Club, 80 Meadow Creek Drive in Drake, Massachusetts. Hope to see you soon.
And we are back, and the co-host for today is a very dear friend, Tom Yameen. And we're talking about the history of what the Yameen family has done here in the Merrimack Valley area between the Butcher Boy Steakhouse and Butcher Boy Markets. And the one in Salem, New Hampshire is opened in 1955. It's a good story, Tom.
Yeah.
It's a make you feel good story. But without work ethic, forget about it. Forget about it. I mean, you guys were dedicated. There were 6 kids. Every one of you were dedicated to making it work. And it wasn't easy at the beginning.
No.
But you know something? It certainly worked out. Do we have a caller?
Larry called back.
All right. Larry, you're on the phone. Hello.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, there you
We had
are.
a bad connection before.
Oh, okay, Larry. Yeah.
First of all, I'd like to just say that, Mike, I've known you over the years through Butcher Boy, and I've seen you grow from a young man into a wise man.
Into
and
an older man.
I congratulate you on all you've accomplished.
Thank you.
And to the guy sitting next to you, who is my cousin Tom, this is Larry Yameen.
Oh, Larry.
Larry, I didn't pick up on your voice before because we had such an awful connection. We talked about your mother and father in the restaurant.
Yeah. Well, the only thing that I wanted to say is, when I was a young man, I got my start, as everyone said, learned how to work hard, and appreciate people and how to deal with people.
Right.
But my cousins, who Billy, Sean, Penny, Danny, Tommy, and Joyce, over the years, who have been very, very successful in their business, a lot of people are tough to do business with. Well, it may be tough to do business with, but there's no more generous family in the Merrimack Valley than my cousins. They have been responsible for many, many organizations, which are too numerous to mention.
Amen.
But the love that I have for them just goes on and on and on.
Yeah, and it's mutual, I'm sure. I mean, your family were hard workers too, believe me.
Matter of fact, my son, Alan, who led the restaurant force, is an employee at Butcher Boy.
His son is our controller, and I'd be lost without him, I'll tell you the truth.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Terrific guy and a terrific asset for Butcher Boy. We're lucky to have him.
That's something. That's a testimonial.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just want to let them know that we love them very much and wish them continued.
All right.
And also, if I win a $50 gift certificate.
Yeah.
I want to donate it to somebody worthy. So just
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well,
Louis taking note of that. All right.
All right.
All right.
I'll see you. Larry, thank you very
Thanks,
much,
Larry.
man.
Thank you.
You're a class act, kid.
Oh, big time.
You really are. Big time.
Thank you.
That
was my cousin Larry. Does a lot of charity work.
He was head of
over the
the
years.
the Exchange Club.
Yeah.
Very,
Done a
very
lot.
successful realtor.
Yes.
I've kept in touch with them through the years, and
Oh.
I've got to know what was going on with them.
Yeah.
Tommy, is there anything that you would like to add to what has already been said?
Well, I'd like to thank all the people of the Merrimack Valley for supporting Butcher Boy all these years. It's been a great ride. We'll just hope we can keep it going. That's all.
You know something? That's great. The North Andover store is morphed into something, one shop, one place to go shopping without being a 75,000 square foot market. And the other thing is, it's personable. Somebody has a question. Customer relationships today don't exist.
No, that's what we thrive on.
Somebody asks you how to cook a roast beef.
Right.
You're there. I mean, you got a young housewife and you're just starting out.
Yeah, plus
Louis, we have a call.
Joyce, go ahead.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. You're on the air with us.
You got to turn the laptop down. It's on a major delay, or you're going to be confused.
Hello.
Yes. You're
Hi,
on.
Mike.
Yeah.
Hi, Mike. It's your childhood friend, Joyce.
Joycey, how are you, honey?
I'm good. How you doing?
Let me check. You know something? I think I'm doing better than I deserve.
Hey, listen. I remember the days of you and Tommy behind that counter, and you were never too busy for a pretty girl customer. Both of you.
Well, that was my expertise, I think.
Yeah.
We were young then.
When we were younger. Joyce, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. And I remember when I got my license, I used to drive you kids around after work to the A&W.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
Yeah.
You were our driver.
Good memories. Good memories. And boy, when we were in the car, there was no such thing as opening the window because Joyce was afraid her hair was going to get messed up. Right, Joyce? You want it to look good for Joe. I'm going to see Joe in a little while. Put that window up. This is a real treat for me to talk to you because it's been many years since you and I have chatted. And
hey, listen, you're both doing a great job. I'm proud of you both.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I love
appreciate it.
you.
Right
I
back
love you.
at you, baby.
All right, kid.
Ciao, Bella.
Thank you.
I'll see you. Joyce Maroon.
Yeah.
And the Maroon family is very involved with what goes on.
Oh, sure.
At the steakhouse, not the steakhouse, but the North Andover market.
Yeah.
And now, one shop, you got produce, you have everything there. There's no reason people have wine, no reason you have to go anywhere else.
No, we have prepared food.
Prepared
which
foods.
we prepare ourselves.
Right.
It's
How does something like that work? They call up ahead of time or?
not necessary. We have it all made. Just pick it up.
Wow.
Yeah.
You have a guy in the parking lot that sharpens the knives. I mean, hey,
Yeah,
you
right.
know what I mean?
Well,
Talk about the whole enchilada.
Everybody's looking to get their knives sharpened.
That's for sure. You would.
You'd be
Without-
surprised how many people come for that.
You know what I'm having a flashback of? When I first got my commercial license, when I was working with you guys up in Salem, going into the market, into Boston, the first few times your brother Big Bill would ride with me. And I used to love it because I didn't know my way around. I mean, I turned 18. I just got my license commercial. And one thing about Billy, he loved to eat.
Yeah.
And I had it made. Even with that big Butcher Boy truck, we were able to find a spot for it.
Yeah.
Go in, grab a bite to eat.
Yeah.
Oh man, I love that. He says, I think you know your way around pretty good now. I think I need a couple of more weeks, Bill. But it was a lot of fun. Nick Maloof.
Oh my God.
There's a name.
A name from the
Didn't
past.
we have a ball with him?
Oh my God.
Nick Maloof had a restaurant, and the last one was over down by the canal, right?
Right.
Up behind Essex Street.
It was the old schoolhouse.
Oh,
there.
schoolhouse, right.
Right.
And he was a character. He wanted me to become a boxer.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that story later. We have another call. Who do we have, Louis?
Go ahead, Mary.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm just calling in to say I love the show. I love Pam Yameen, who always is so great whenever I come in, and your bakery's unbelievable, and love the produce and, of course, the meat.
Wonderful. Good to hear.
Well, thank
Good
you,
to hear.
Mary.
Take care, hon.
You
Ciao.
too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, that was nice.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. You know, there's a few people that know you, huh?
I think so. I've been around a little bit.
You think so?
Yeah. Worked behind that counter a lot of years.
Oh boy, oh boy. I can remember I was at Central for a little while and used to take the bus up because I didn't have my license, and pick the bus up on Broadway in Lawrence and get up there and work the deli counter, and Jesus, man, I'll tell you, push product out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you know, we pride ourselves on quality. Quality is the key to everything.
That was the key to
And consistency, you know.
and customer service.
Yeah. And you got to be consistent.
Yeah. We only have a couple of minutes left. Louis, have you picked out the numbers of who won what?
Want me to draw them now?
I'm sorry?
Do you want me to draw them now?
I figured I'd give you a little bit of time.
Okay.
Yeah.
You work for a second. I'll draw them.
Okay. McDuffie, Tom McDuffie,
Tom
who
McDuffie.
was part of the Musketeers,
God
because
bless
the
him,
three of us
yeah.
were always together.
Yeah.
And him and I would be working on the deli department. And Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Wow.
He's another one who always thanks my family for his work ethic.
And he went on to be very successful in later years.
Yes. He was professor at St. Joe's University.
Yep.
Plus, I think he was an executive there doing something. I don't know.
Yeah. No, that's great.
Yeah.
That's great. We had, like I said, the three of Phillip Street going sledding, and I mean, we did playing ball, like you said. You were in the Little League. I was in the Little League.
Yeah.
I believe you played for the Tigers.
Yeah, we weren't too good, but
We made up for it, the Cardinals.
yeah. Exactly.
I said the story once about the fact that the Tribune came down and took a picture when I was pitching for the Little League. And I was so excited. I told my mother and father, and they were all excited. And finally, it showed up in the Tribune, and they spelled my last name wrong.
Oh.
I was 11 years old. They spelled it Lomasso instead of Zizio. But I had won the first 5 games that I pitched, and I had 5 home runs in the first 4 games.
There you go.
So, you know, whatever you guys lacked with the Tigers, we made up for with the Cardinals.
You're another Dave Ortiz.
Yeah, that too. Louis, are we all set?
Yep.
And who do we have?
I drew our first call and our last call. We're
All
going to
right.
go with Lynn and Mary. And I've got their phone numbers. Someone will give you guys a call, so get an address so we can take care of it.
Cool. And that'll be forwarded to Pamela, you mean?
Yeah.
And Pamela, I know, because talk about being detailed. She'll make sure
She'll
that
make
they
sure
get
it
the
happens.
gift certificate. Tom, I can't thank you enough.
It's been a pleasure to be here, and I thank you for
And
having me.
we're gonna have lunch.
We're going to have lunch. I thank you for having me here. And like I said before, I'd like to thank all the people that shop at Butcher Boy. We appreciate your loyalty.
Well
and
said.
we'll try to just keep moving forward and keep
It's-
giving you the best service we can.
You know, as we're getting older,
Yeah.
supposedly we're supposed to be getting wiser. I don't know about that.
I don't know. Well,
But the Butcher Boy is in good hands right now. Let me tell you.
Oh, believe me.
I mean, you got nothing to worry
that generation, they're doing a terrific job.
about. I know that. I know that.
Terrific.
Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy this gorgeous, gorgeous weather. This is the way it should be all the time.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, next week it's all about the feast. The Feast of the Three Saints. And Tony Parmesano is going to be in the studio. We're going to talk about it. And, August 30th. And right around the corner, Marianne Esposito is going to be there. We want you to be there. Stephen Savio. Hey, the whole gang is going to be there. Listen, take care, everybody. Louis, thank you for your help. Take care.